Remember this luxury home? Well, we're back and it's now complete. $2.5 million for a custom brand new build right here near Lone Mountain. Stick around, we're gonna go through the final tour of this property today. And if you wait until the end, I got a surprise for you. We got a secret room that we're gonna check out, and let's get to it right now. Welcome to a glimpse of unparalleled luxury at Palisades Canyon. A brand new construction home completed in 2023, nestled in the prestigious area of Lone Mountain. As we soar above this magnificent property, you're viewing a sprawling 4,761 square foot estate, boasting 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, meticulously designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Observe the grandeur of this 2-story home, perfectly situated on a generous 0.42 acre lot at the end of a private cul-de-sac, ensuring exclusivity and privacy. The estate features a spacious 3-car garage complementing its impressive facade. Priced at $2.5 million, this residence is not just a home, it's a statement of luxury and modern living. From this aerial view, you can appreciate the careful craftsmanship and elegant design that makes this property a must-see. Welcome to the exclusive Palisades Estates, a private gated community with only 21 custom homes. Today we're exploring the architectural brilliance of Palisades Canyon. Hey, I'm Bryan Knisley, your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And if you want to know everything there is about the Las Vegas market, hit the subscribe button below, click that notification bell. You're the first one that's going to be notified about the current market here in Las Vegas. We get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking for properties just like this. And man, this is a gorgeous property. And we love it. So please reach out whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom call. Information is below in the description of this video. Here we go. As we journey through the tranquil Palisades Estates, each custom home we pass reflects the exclusive nature of this community. Standing out is Palisades Canyon, a new construction marvel. This home, uniquely crafted by Paragon AMG, showcases their commitment to excellence and luxury in every detail. So I really wanted to wait until dusk to bring you guys back out to tour this property because of this. It's gorgeous at this time of night. So let's walk back into the property. As we walk, I want you to notice the stamped concrete with the high-end artificial turf in between, glass garage doors, and all this lighting and everything that goes through here. It's amazing and gorgeous. Come on in. As we approach this stunning property, the craftsmanship is immediately evident. The driveway, a harmonious blend of stamped concrete and premium artificial turf, sets the tone of sophistication and style. Your attention is drawn to the elegant glass garage doors and striking stone facade. As evening falls, the landscape lighting begins to glow, beautifully highlighting its architectural features. So throughout this tour, I'm going to be asking you guys for your feedback, so I'd love it if you give me some feedback. What do you think of this front porch? Very inviting. When you come home, you can sit on the bench, take your shoes off. So if you have guests coming through the house, have them sit on the bench, their shoes come off before they go in the door. Upon entering this exquisite home, you are immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of modern sophistication. What's more, the entire home is wired with the state-of-the-art surround sound, ensuring that whether you're entertaining or enjoying a quiet evening, the experience is enhanced by impeccable audio quality. From the first step inside, it's clear that this home is a harmonious blend of technology and luxury.
Here's your favorite cup.
Oh, thanks, Parker.
Camera's rolling.
Oh, just grabbing some coffee in this amazing kitchen. Can you guys see yourself in this amazing kitchen? Here's the heart of the home, a stunning kitchen with a 14-foot island and Caesarstone Quartz countertops. The home is illuminated by strategically placed LED lighting, which highlights the luxury level 5 smooth finish on every wall. The Dacor appliances, including a 48-inch dual fuel steam range and the leather finished marble backsplash, are a chef's dream. Don't miss the butler pantry with a wine fridge, complemented by a unique Latigo brick backsplash. Stepping into the living room, you are greeted by a breathtaking centerpiece. The Restoration Hardware Chandelier designed by master glass artist Allison Berger. This stunning piece features a 60-inch diameter and a dramatic 13-foot drop with 31 individually hand-blown solid glass raindrops suspended from a solid brass canopy, creating a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece of warmth and comfort in this room is the water vapor fireplace, which doubles as a humidifier.
Pass me the ball.
Just hanging out with the boys in the living room. Hanging out with the boys in the living room, monkeying around after a long day at the office in this massive living room. Stepping outside, the backyard oasis awaits. It features an outdoor kitchen, a custom gas fire pit, and a Caesarstone Quartz island. The pergola and contemporary black iron gates add to the outdoor experience. Imagine yourself with a dinner party, sitting at the head of the table, all of your guests on the table, enjoying dinner. And guess what? You can even put the kids up at the breakfast bar at the counter. Our tour now brings us to the thoughtfully designed first floor multi-gen suite or attached casita, which is a perfect blend of independence and luxury. It features a well-equipped kitchenette with sleek and modern cabinetry. One of the unique aspects of the suite is a large single-car garage with a direct entrance offering privacy and convenience. Further enhancing the comfort of this space is a family room which features an accent wall with a 60-inch electric fireplace and 65-inch TV, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Adding to the allure, the suite has a glass door that opens to the backyard oasis, seamlessly blending indoor comfort with outdoor tranquility. The upstairs loft overlooks the family room, offering a space for relaxation with a 100-inch fireplace and an 85-inch TV. Iron and glass French doors open to a balcony extending the luxury living space. The primary bedroom is a private retreat featuring a balcony, a 60-inch fireplace, and a 65-inch TV. The wood beams and Venetian plaster accent wall create an intimate and luxurious atmosphere. The primary bedroom ensuite is a sanctuary of relaxation and sophistication. Step into a space where every detail is designed for luxury and comfort. The bathroom features double sinks set in floating cabinets, providing a modern and spacious feel. The Caesarstone Quartz countertops, accompanied by accent lighting, add a touch of elegance and ensure every inch of the space is illuminated with a warm and inviting glow. Storage will never be an issue here, as the ensuite includes 2 larger walk-in closets, offering ample space for wardrobe and accessories. The centerpiece of this lavish bathroom is the walk-in shower equipped with multiple shower heads for a spa-like experience. Complementing this is an oversized soaking tub measuring an indulgent 48 inches in length and 42 inches in width, perfect for unwinding after a long day. This ensuite isn't just a part of the home, it's a retreat within a retreat, offering the utmost of luxury and tranquility. So thanks for coming on the tour with us of this amazing brand new custom build here in Lone Mountain. And I did promise you a special treat at the end. Come over here and check out this secret cellar. Just push the mirror. Walk into your own wine cellar. So please reach out, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. You can even schedule that Zoom call below, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Just hanging out with the boys in the living